formulation are super lightweight and they are really powder-like particles, so you don't feel any wetness at all, so you don't have to worry about transferring from the lashes to the lid. Both are lightweight. The lengthening does lengthen. I can see it lengthen my lashes times 2. Hindi siya times 3, times 2. Yep. Here. For this side, the volumizing, I felt that I have to apply more for it to really stick onto my lashes because my lashes are too thin, so the effect would take a bit longer than regular people, but it does volumize. I can see it thickened a bit, but I want to try both together. So this lengthening, I'll add the volumizing and we'll see how it goes. Sabi na nga ba guys, I knew it. I knew my lashes so well. I like the combination of length and volume. If you have full lashes already, then go for length. If you have long lashes but very sparse or thin, go for volume. If like me, you don't have both, then you really have to purchase both, to be honest. That's the only answer or solution to your sparse lashes, or just wear falsies. But who wears falsies on a daily basis? So if you're on a rush, go for mascara, go for both. And they are indeed super lightweight, and I love the feel, and it dries quickly and no crunchy lashes. So thank you so much for watching my lash battle, and it's not really a battle because they're from the same brand, but volume and length battles. So tell me what your choice is. Comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.